Yeah, because it's wet from the rain.
Did you see that?
I did. Good job.
Do it all the way there. This song is swing. You're right. Go. What's that noise, Mom?
Sierra's hands on the bar because they were wet, and so they're just making a little squeaky sound.
Now can I do it?
Careful.
I don't think you'll be able to do it. I need Mommy to hold me. And then, Mom, until I get to Chyler, can you jump down?
Ta-da! You did it!
Chyler, I'll teach you.
Again. Again. Climb up the stairs.
Just do this. See? Just drop. Put your feet straight down, and then drop. See? It's not so hard. If you're falling apart, just dust it off. Okay? Here we go. I gotcha. You're doing it. Now let go. Let go. Let go. Drop down. Remember?
Chyler, if Sierra holds your legs, she can help you as you move across the bars.
Help. No.
Okay. Well, I can't take a video if I'm going to help you, okay?